Ever wondered how people make money online without selling any product? I'm going to be teaching you the simplest way to start a side hustle in 2026 without any investment, without any money. Hi, beautiful people. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Harriet, and on today's episode, we'll be discussing affiliate marketing in its simplest form. Who are affiliate marketers and what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just you connecting the seller to the buyer and you get a little commission for your sales. So you're actually that middleman or the middle woman in between the seller and the buyer. And when you tell the buyer, come, this person has these shoes that you're looking for. And after the person buys the shoes, the seller decide, oh, I'm giving you 5% from this money, or I'm giving you 10% from this money. It's as simple as that. But you know what you're doing? You'll be doing it online. You're not actually going to the market to do it. No, you'll be definitely be doing it online, and there are different platforms to do that. How does this actually works? Now, all you have to do is sign up on a platform. Yeah, so you have lots of platforms online that do a lot of affiliate marketing. So you can either do it on TikTok, but you have to be in abroad to do it on TikTok. You can also do it on Amazon. You can do it in Seller if you're in Africa, Nigeria, and other countries. You can actually do it in Seller. You can also do it in Jumia. I've gone on Jumia website and I've seen that they do it. I was like, oh goodness, people are leaving money on the table. There are loads of different platforms you can actually do affiliate. And the thing is, a lot of websites have an affiliate program on their website, but people really don't go to check. Because when you go on those websites for everybody, almost loads of companies that are selling stuff, you actually see affiliates program there and you sign up for their affiliate program. But then let's get to understand this program, how it really works. Now, after signing up on these platforms, all you need is a link, because without a link, there's no business. No, definitely there's no business for anybody. So we all need a link. So let me say you want to definitely sell a cup, or you want to sell a phone, or you want to sell, let me say this mic I'm holding, this is what I'm trying to sell. Yes, so I'm trying to sell this mic, and maybe a lot of content creators will be looking for this mic. Let me tell you how I will try to sell it. So all I have to do is create content. Now, content can either be pictures, videos, different stuffs. You can create content with. You can even do storytelling, depending on how you want to. You can do writing. Just write, put the picture and write loads of stuff. Now, where do you market this product? Now, social media. We have different loads of social media platform. You have Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, like different platforms you're in. Even the ones you're not in, you go to Facebook groups, drop it there. That is where you drop it. Somebody there might need it. If there are content creators Facebook group and you're trying to sell this, you definitely go to those groups. Now, I'm trying to tell you the simplest way to do it without putting your money. You don't have to put your money. You understand? So there's no marketing strategy. There's no paying for ads. We're trying to do it the simplest way without paying for ads. And we'll pray with consistency and hard work that our content gets pushed out by the algorithm. Yeah, that's it. Now, after all that, now, depending on, this is how it works. Here, we're still trying to understand how it works. After putting it on different platforms, either videos, pictures, and everything, and then we attach that link to it. Once we attach the link to it, we now wait. Once anybody click on that link and purchase the product, what happens? The seller gives us our own commission. Now, the commission for your link, before picking it, you already know what you're getting for that product. So if that product is selling for, let me say, pounds, if it's selling for 10 pounds and the seller says it's 10% commission, what are you making from that product? You're making £1. So all you're after is, maybe say every day you say, I'm after 10 pounds. Me, from this side hustle this month, it's 10 pounds I want this today. They say every day you want 10 pounds. So you're after getting 10 sales from that product. But you can decide to say, okay, I'll market 10 other products, because it's free. You can pick. Once you've signed up, you can pick, and even if it's a million products you want to market, you can market. Me, I know they believe for niche. All the time I say niche. I don't niche. I just pick anything I think that will sell and I just market it. Do you understand? It's as simple as that. Now, who are the people that this affiliate marketing is good for? Affiliate marketing is definitely good. How do you get your money? Let me just put that out. So it's either it drops. So it's either you'll be paid with PayPal, you definitely attach your account at the back end when you were registering. So once the person makes that payment, your money drops into your account, either PayPal account or wherever. If you're in Nigeria, you'll be able to put your Nigerian account in all those websites. But if you're doing in a foreign one, say you're doing Amazon, which is foreign, you definitely have to drop a PayPal account for them to credit you. It's as simple as that. Now, who are the people that this affiliate marketing is good for? I would say stay-at-home mom. You want to switch career, or you don't have a job now and you're hungry. You're hungry. You have a phone. You have data. This is the perfect time for you to pick your phone and just start this side hustle, and you definitely not regret it. People that are good with referring people to different products. So if you're good to marketing, so you can refer people to different products, this is actually a very good side hustle for you to start. I'm not saying that it will automatically take over your day job, your 9 to 5 job. No, but gradually, once you understand the business, it might be able to take over your 9 to 5, and you might be able to quit and just be your own boss. Who knows? Sorry, I'm just laughing, but that's what I'm hoping and earnestly hoping for 2026, that this automatically takes over my 9 to 5 job, because it's not easy. Now, people that maybe a nursing mother, you just gave birth, you're at home, you're tired, and you just feel like you need a side hustle. This video will definitely help you out. You can start affiliate marketing with just your phone and internet. You're good to go. And then, you know, guys, mom, stay at home uncle, stay at home auntie, this affiliate marketing is good for everybody. Even if you say you don't know how to market, just put picture on your WhatsApp status. It's good. Just put pictures on your story, on your Instagram and your Facebook. Your Facebook is not there for you to just be doing friends. No, it's for you to make real money. Don't waste your time on social media, flipping. I no longer flip social media because I have to post at least 10 to 15 videos a day. It's not easy to create those videos. So you have to constantly keep pushing. So you're feeding the people that like to eat off social media. So you're feeding them. Now, this is the simplest way for you to start. And I think this is good for this category of people. Affiliate marketing will be easy and good for them. Now, the commissions are either 10%, 5%, 3%, but for most digital products, they are usually around 20, 30, and as most 50. You'll be so lucky that you can see some digital products that are 50% commission, which is very good. And you can get a lot of digital product from seller. There are loads of people, even CCMA, I saw that she's selling her digital food courses on seller, and it has commission. So you can actually market that. Like, if you want to learn how to cook egusi, you want to learn how to do this, you can buy this course and you will learn it. And once somebody buys, she gives you 50% of that. That's cool money. You guys are wasting your time. To be sincere, 2026 is the best time for you to start content creation. So what are the skills? Like, what are the benefits of affiliate marketing? If we want to actually discuss affiliate marketing and the benefits, what do you actually get from this? I would say the number one, the top on the list for me will be the PR packages, because with TikTok Shop, I get to have a lot of PR packages. When I mean loads of PR packages, is a lot. I can't even explain. And then, secondly, you're learning skills. You're learning your digital skills. You're learning, say, content creation. Content creation is not easy. You're learning content creation. You're learning editing skills. You're building a brand. You're building a community of people. People get to know you on social media because every day you are pairing, every day you're coming out, and then people start to follow you. So you're creating a community of people that start to follow you. And eventually, whatever you decide to do with those numbers, because I keep saying that business is a game of numbers. If you don't have the following, how do you make money? You have to pay for ads, and ads are not cheap. So you have to try and build a certain number of people on social media, so that eventually tomorrow you want to start a business, you already have the following, you can start a business. And then thirdly, I would say, is it thirdly or fourthly? I'm a bit confused, but then let's continue. You're understanding marketing. Marketing is definitely not easy. It's one of the hardest things. Like, till date, I can't even go live. I tried to go live 2, 3 times. I'm back again. So I'm still struggling, but I hope that the life is one of the things I want to conquer in 2026. Marketing is not easy. You keep talking and keep talking for hours. It's not easy. But then at the end, you will definitely learn marketing. You will learn buyers' behavior. You will understand them, the psychology of buyers. You definitely understand them. And you're learning a lot in this course of affiliate marketing. So there's a lot in this whole package that you get to learn. And at the end, you have loads of skills that even if you decide to start a business, you'll be able to market your own product and you'll be able to sell, you'll be able to shoot angles. So when you need to employ a digital creator, a content creator, all these, you are all in one. Affiliate marketing will make you all in one because it must have pushed you. You must have pushed yourself. Creating 10 to 15 videos a day is not easy. You must have pushed yourself to the elastic limit to be able to achieve all that. And I will say that our next video, I'm coming towards the end of this video. On our next video, we're going to discuss all the different platforms that we can actually go on and learn affiliate marketing. And I hope that by the end of that video, everybody will be able to sign up and start a new business, a new side hustle for 2026, guys. Realistic expectation, yes. So don't think that because I said there's money means that you start today, you make thousands tomorrow. No. Your first month, you might not even make anything. That's the realistic truth. People might not even pick, but where the money comes in, it comes in with consistency. Consistency. You need to be consistent in this thing because today you might sell, tomorrow you might not sell. Today you might sell 20, tomorrow you sell 10, next tomorrow you sell 2 or 1. You just have to be consistent at this game, and it's a game of numbers. And then again, you might sell the first month, you might not sell the first month. I never can tell, and I'm not the algorithm. But I know that with consistency, you will definitely see a very, very great result. On a final note, I would like to say that affiliate marketing in 2026 is one of the most easiest side hustle for you to start, and that with consistency, you would definitely see a very good result. See you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Ciao, ciao.